How to sign up for Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up for Fantasy Premier League. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up a web browser or open up the Premier League app. If you open up your web browser, simply search for FPL. After you search for FPL, you should find the Fantasy Premier League website. So what you can do is simply open that up. After you open that up, what you can then do is scroll down a bit and there you'll see a register now button. Tap on register now to start signing up for it. So tap on register now, let it load. So it can take some time, so wait for it. And now you can simply sign up. So right here, tap on no account, join now option. And you'll be prompted to this page. Now there are different ways you can sign up for this, so we'll just use our email addresses. So I'll just use my email address here. You can type in your email address as well. And after you do that, you will be prompted to this page where you can type in a password, then your first name, then your date of birth. So choose your date of birth. Let me just do that here. Tap on done, select your gender, your country of residence, and after you select your nationality, use your phone number, which is optional, agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on create an account. Now you will be sent a verification code in the mail that you just used. So just head over to your email address or the Gmail app. So let's do that first. So while I check my Gmail address, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. Now type in the verification code that you received on your Gmail address. Let me do that here. Now, the verification code will be alphanumeric. Now account has been created. Tap on continue and you have just signed up for Fantasy Premier League. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.